Hey guys, welcome to Whiz Quiz. Are you curious about animals and the amazing facts about them? Take this animal trivia quiz and see how many you can get right. Are you ready? Let's get on with it.
Whiz Quiz!
What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Galapagos tortoise. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? Bat. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? Parrot. What is the largest living reptile? Saltwater crocodile. Which sea creature has 3 hearts? Octopus. What is the only continent without native snakes? Antarctica. Which mammal lays eggs? Platypus. What is the main food of a giant panda? Bamboo. Which animal has the strongest bite force? Crocodile. How many legs does a spider have? 8. What is a baby kangaroo called? Joey. Which fish is known for its ability to generate electricity? Electric eel. What is the fastest bird in the world? Peregrine falcon. Which mammal is known to have the most powerful memory? Elephant. What color is a polar bear's skin under its fur? Black. How do starfish eat their food? They eject their stomachs. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Lion. What is the loudest animal on Earth? Blue whale. Which animal can sleep while standing up? Horse. What is the largest species of shark? Whale shark. What do you call a group of owls? Parliament. Which animal is the symbol of the WWF? Giant panda. What is the tallest land animal? Giraffe. What animal is known to laugh when tickled? Rat. What do you call a baby swan? Cygnet. Which bird is famous for its ability to sleep while flying? Albatross. What is the only animal that cannot jump? Elephant. Which animal has fingerprints almost identical to humans? Koala. How do frogs breathe? Through their skin and lungs.
And that's it, guys. Are you satisfied with your answers? If you'd like to take part in more quizzes like this, do hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. Till then, I'll see you on the next video.